People selling everything. I said everything you want.
When the storm blow away, we're not getting on the Andrew less money and we're not selling Christmas and we're up.
I can get a better shot, babe. So they're entertaining the crowd. Yeah. Yeah. And these are Bellyman and what we call John Kuno. Yeah, so they are crowd in the street. Taxi man, go and wait. Now behave like you don't want to lick him on them, so what do you know? Give them a thing, man. Give them a thing. Let me see what I have.
Which one?
What's
Which one?
Yeah. Mad Beats peeps. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon peeps. And we are in the streets of Montego Bay again. And today is Grand Market. So we're gonna see how far we can reach. If we can reach all the way in St. Catherine and head to Kingston. Let's see if we can reach at Kingston. Because it's already after 11. And you know it's a long journey. I'm gonna leave Montego Bay yet. So let's see if we can reach at Kingston, peeps. Let's see how it goes. But it's Grand Market Day in Montego Bay, which is, it doesn't look like Linfield or downtown Kingston. It's practically not like that, even though it's early time, but the road should be more crowded than this. So let's see what it's like. My first time in Montego Bay on a Grand Market Day. So I say, let's see what it's like here in Montego Bay. Even the store they look scanty, and downside because of the hurricane. Because one thing with Jamaicans, they are gonna find money. And I say, so let's get in the streets and out of the street and get a taxi and head on to Ocho or Falmouth. The streets don't look too bad still, peeps. But this is the streets of Montego Bay. Yeah. Now here's some J-Bez music. J-Bez is from Linfield also. Yeah. But the street is kind of crowded. You see out the early soapy today. Out the early for them today. Alright, that is it. Yo! Yeah, well, as I say, street gonna look. I expect Montego Bay to look better than this. Yeah, but Montego Bay ends where Grand Market is. Yeah, so it's not that crowded here in Montego Bay. So let's get on out of Montego Bay, yeah?
Move it.
Let's get out of Montego Bay, peeps. Yeah. I can say it's early time now still, but it's a Grand Market Day. And I guarantee you, so we're not going to Linfield or Spanish Town, downtown. Not to talk about downtown. Downtown gonna be crazy. Downtown Kingston. Gonna be crazy today, please. So this is the vibe. It's like the Grand Market is the day before the 25th of December. So Grand Market is the 24th. So all of the Jamaicans will come out and they sell. Yeah. Take out the kids, take pictures and stuff like that. So it's a very busy time for Jamaicans always, so to make some money.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
But the streets are crowded. I don't know what let the dogs out. So this is what it's like here. And today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And Falmouth supposed to have market today too, because it's a Wednesday. Anyway, let's see how much ground we can cover today. Let's see how much ground we can cover today. Yeah. Let's see how much grounds we can cover today. Save a taxi out there, so police in my work. You know, police are go out here now, so normally if I get a Falmouth vehicle here, so let me see if I can get a Falmouth vehicle here. Police they are enough, security they are enough. But you know it's Christmas. So let's see. Oh, go on. Oh, it's a back up man. Oh, go on. How go on, boss? No watching the Falmouth or then? Oh, none of there, so. Police, alright. Alright. Eh?
I read you one of them.
Okay. Fast move with the panel cars. Today I am leaving Montego Bay late. Very late. Should I leave long time if I leave. Because it's a extremely busy day. Then police are maintaining order, law and order. So majority of the guys them normally park there, so on the roadside, the Falmouth vehicle them, they have to park in the park. They can't park on the roadside because the police them working hard. And the taxi man them can't afford to get a ticket in the holiday year. They don't want a ticket for their Christmas. So see, we are going to have a police attack at the corner. Yeah. So hopefully we get a vehicle ready now. But Montego Bay no look that festive to me. Probably later on at night it will look more festive. But for me, for the years that what I'm used to in Linstead, this is like nothing. You know, it's like a joking thing. For me personally. So anyhow peeps, stick and stay. Stick and stay peeps. So it's the one in one come out. Let me see what it look like. Peeps, stick and stay. So yes peeps, we are in Falmouth Trelawney now. Walking on the streets of Falmouth Trelawney. So that's what Falmouth Grand Market look like an idea, yeah? Yeah. Before I head on to Ocho Rios, which is a lot of times I come to Falmouth I have to wait long to get a taxi. So hopefully today I don't have to wait long because it's a very busy day. It should be a very busy day, I should say. I have my phone on my hand. Yes peeps, so it's the first time coming across the channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. On fire, all fire. Love what I do. Do what you love. Do it to your best of your ability. That is it. Yeah. So this is Falmouth Trelawney peeps. This is where Usain Bolt is from. Trelawney. Alright, so let me see what I go on the street peeps. Let's walk through the streets of Falmouth and then we head on down to the market area. At least it look lively. Like not the regular. Not the regular day here in Falmouth. And that's in Jamaica. Whenever time music I play, whenever time I have like a event I go have music I play, and this is like Grand Market I say. So everywhere go you're gonna have music I play. Wow, there's a big ship in there. What's that name? Independence of the Sea, some shit like that. Yeah. So this is what Falmouth is look like today. Yeah, so Falmouth comes alive, peeps. And you know, Falmouth town look bigger than me and Montego Bay town in a sense. Yeah, they have more open space to sell down here than you have in Montego Bay. Yeah. So as I say, you're gonna have a lot of music to play all about. Yeah. But let's walk and check out what I go on tape. Yeah. Yeah. All Angola. All Angola. Yes, please. This is the vibes now. Falmouth look nicer than Montego Bay. Montego Bay boring. Yeah, Falmouth is much more lively than Montego Bay, babes. Trust me. It feels different. Yes, and Falmouth was severely affected by the hurricane. So of course I'm gonna walk around to the more crowded sections and then I head on through the market. Today is Wednesday too. And today Falmouth normally have them big market day. So I go walk around. First I go walk round and round and round and round. Yeah, not look bad anyway. Let's head on back up the road. Oh. Nice. Because we're going to head on back. We're down at the street please. So let's walk back through here so quick. And the ladies them out here. Ladies them strong like I don't know what to say. No matter what they say Jamaica, life hard in Jamaica, the ladies them always have on a lot of weight. No matter what they say life hard. Yeah. So this is Falmouth. Yeah. Yes, babe. I didn't feel like I got through the market because in the market the lighting kind of bad in there and I'm using my GoPro. So yeah, and the sun is not really out to that. So I had to walk in where the light is. Yeah. Everywhere, music are there everywhere. And definitely I rather Falmouth vibes than Montego Bay. And we are going to Ocho when we leave here. We are going to Ocho and then we're heading to Linstead. And if I can go to Kingston, downtown Kingston, now they're not downtown. Just to show you what's happening at this time in the season. Jamaicans are some very resilient people. No, Sasha. No. Very resilient to the people, Jamaican. Bouncing back very quickly and things. And as usual, police nothing this season. Maintain order and so we are gonna head downtown now. Down more into the market area. And as I say, you see a lot of police in Falmouth maintaining law and order. All over Jamaica you're gonna see a lot of police in this season maintaining law and order. So as I say, it's your boy Ocho Rios 777. And if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, Ocho Rios, love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. Yeah. And I'm doing what I love. And I love what I do. So if you love what you do, then it no longer become a job. It becomes fun. So this is fun. Why am I hearing generator up there so? No have light? Or light gone or something? Thought light is in Falmouth, no. So look at alone me here generator. As Mr. Peeps, see? You're gonna see crazy amount of police. All the young recruits are out on the road also. This is the time for them to get an experience, a feel out to angle and Jamaicans on the street. Yeah. All the young recruits are out on the road also. Yeah. But as I say, today is Wednesday and Grand Market falls on a Wednesday. And Wednesday is normally a big market day. So this is supposed to be even a bigger market day for Falmouth. Here in Falmouth. Falmouth have one of the biggest market days in Jamaica. One of our, or I should say, the biggest. Falmouth has the biggest market day in Jamaica, which is a Wednesday. because people come from all over Jamaica to Falmouth. I don't know why or when it come about, but from longer time, that is how it is. From a longer time, that's how it's always been. And that's how it is still. Yeah. So some people get them stuff from foreign. Them family send down stuff. Beds, spreads and sheets and curtains and stuff like that, you know. Yeah. So, and people sell cologne and things. Mommy? Yeah. So when you look at this, you see that a lot of these things that persons are selling are actually from overseas. They get them, their relatives send barrel for them to sell back to make some money. Especially in this time when everybody lost a lot. This is the opportunity for them to make back some money to help themselves. Yeah. Because if a family member send you some money, that's a good business opportunity for you, not just to spend the money. But for example, they get $20,000, you spend the $20,000, buy some goods and sell it back and make and double your money, and you continue to use the profit now and turn it over and all of that, you know. So now time you have a big business. So yes peeps, this is Falmouth. So anyway, that way to my left is the bus stop, but I'm not going around there yet. I'm running down to the market to see what it's like, and then I don't want to say I'm running late, but yeah, because I don't think I would have a problem getting a vehicle to Ocho Rios today, because it's supposed to be a very busy day, so I shouldn't have a problem getting a vehicle. But anyhow peeps, stick and stay and don't go nowhere. We're heading down to the market. Bounty Hall, Falmouth. Bounty Hall, I think I've heard of that. Bounty Hall. Never been there. There's a lot of places I haven't been in Jamaica as yet. A whole lot. And that one going to Lilliput. So Lilliput is right out there. Yeah. Lilliput was severely damaged also by the hurricane. Lilliput was severely damaged by Hurricane Melissa. And as I tell you, you got a lot of police on the road today. A whole lot from Montego Bay coming to Falmouth on the road all over. And that's good. That is very good. Because in this time, you will have some very unscrupulous persons that would want to do shit. Yeah. So the cops are here to make sure that law and order is obeyed. You see, so people who park illegally on the roadside and all of that, yeah, they are moving them. You go over there, there's the people selling stuff. Same way. Yeah. Woo. So it's a lot of walking for me today, but I don't mind. I've been doing a lot of walking recently, not a whole lot. Yeah, so we're heading down to the market, and I think this yeah, and I completely forget one of my batteries, GoPro battery. Not one off, but the only one that I have for this GoPro. So I'm gonna have to use my phone record shortly, probably when I reach instead. Yes people, so this is it. As me say, it's a grand market here in Jamaica, and we are in Falmouth, Trelawney. We are in Falmouth, Trelawney. Oh, And Jamaican ladies, some of them my face this year, man. So they hear some words they use. Yeah. So yes, peeps, as I say, today is Grand Market, and if you don't know what Grand Market is celebrated in Jamaica on the 24th of December, the day before Christmas Day, which is the 25th. So it is in 24th, it's a Grand Market. People come out and buy and shop. Yeah, people sell what they have. Yeah. This is a time when people sell a lot, come out with everything that they have. And if they have some old stock that they had from last year or from further up in the year, they sell it cheaper in order to get rid of it. Yeah. So you got a lot of sale in Grand Market Day also. You get a lot of sale. So we're heading into the market, just gonna walk through the market, showing what it's like. If it's the first time coming across the channel and you haven't seen Falmouth Market, this is a Falmouth video. This is a Falmouth video here. This is a Falmouth video, so let's walk through the market. Sorry. Let me stand up in the road like them I'm walking at the water. Seriously? Whoa. Some people are so unthinkable. My friend normally sells lots of stuff. This is the market, peeps. As I said, people come from all over Jamaica selling. Yes, this is Falmouth Market.
Hello,
so I'm gonna walk through the market away. Show no walk.
Hello, 500 and love. Yeah, man, a man shot, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, I find it.
So people come from downtown Kingston, Jamaica, Linstead, Spanish Town. People come from all over Jamaica to sell their wares. Yes. And people come from all over Montego Bay, everywhere, come to Falmouth to shop on this day. Because of course they get bargain today. You get lots and lots and lots of bargain. Yeah. And I guess later you're gonna be more crowded. Yeah. But it's more crowded today than other days that I've been here. Because I've been here during the week before. And later than this, and it wasn't this crowded. So today it's more crowded also. So we're gonna walk around and show you guys what it's like. Yeah. So you get bargain. I would have bought something, but me there, you know. Huh? You know, I'm a content creator. Oh man, a free advertisement too, you know. I charge you. I'm still can look on the beats them same way. Yeah. Yeah. So man have a nice beats them right so.
Yeah, man, I eat, man. So you know all the thing,
yeah. Real beats them peeps. So I'm telling you, so I come and Falmouth on Wednesday. And Wednesday fall upon a Grand Market Day today. But every Wednesday, Falmouth have the biggest market, you know. In Jamaica. Don't the biggest market in Jamaica, don't? Alright, so I'm just forward and support it. Equal them, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put the camera up and put it on you.
What's your YouTube channel?
Holy Fire 777 TV.
Huh?
Holy Fire 777 TV.
Holy Fire 777.
TV.
Okay, same
Yeah.
place for every
Every platform.
Yeah.
Yeah, but mostly YouTube.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But you know watch where name, you know watch all angles.
Yep. Yeah, man, watch.
Hurricane Melissa.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
So you remember a man where you sit up on him interview the crowd.
Yeah, you?
Yeah, from Zion.
I say if I can put the camera up and you put the camera up on you.
No, I don't have no problem. I done
Oh, because you're different all angles, so you're gone global already.
Yeah, global already.
Alright, I love that. So you're a superstar.
No superstar. No superstar.
Alright, sir. So, my apologies.
Yeah. No superstar.
So you just gone global and I eat that. So where?
Because Hurricane Melissa mashed me up and I go get an interview with Dean Jackson Miller. So you never see that?
No, I never see that.
Okay, that means you not follow the...
No, I don't know follow, but you are going. I dem mobile and my internet not really work. So proper, so more thing, I just catch up back.
Oh, okay.
You see it? Just catch up back from where I go on.
But me there, my internet not work proper, but I still go back and look back to them. You get? So if I did a check and know what go around the place, the Hurricane Melissa and then...
I know I go on for Medicare. So I naturally on here live?
Then I must.
Okay. Anyway, big up yourself and hope you recover soon. You hear me I say?
Cut me out of that one then.
Alright, that's nothing. Cool.
If I look and see myself on here, you know, so I can't strike the channel.
Yeah, man, easy though. Man say, alright, you put the camera up on him now. You even tell me say no. You seriously? I'm not gonna watch it then, man. So alright. So alright if I watch it? Yeah, alright if I watch it?
No, if you watch it, you know I saw it, don't make no sense.
Of course it makes sense. Come here and say, oh, other man here.
Yo, superstar when me did it, tragedy, I know. Superstar when me
but the thing is, you know, you never can tell because people can watch along and say, oh, and say fire, you get to know him, so you don't know. You know, we should have tried if you go link him same way. You get me I say? Because the people stay now. Alright.
Right now, I need the help enough.
Yeah.
You get? So, you get.
Alright, give them my number, then you can reach it then.
Okay. Alright. My number is 396-2760. Or listen what I go on. You can go through the Angels Foundation.
Okay. Just contribute to the Angel, because the Angel will help you think.
Angels Foundation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself, my boss. Alright. So here peeps. So just support the Angels. Supporting the Angels that is supporting that the man there also. Get me I say? Let me see. Don't want around this so? Around this so lock off. Don't make no sense. I'm walk here so. So around us look like a Ray. Then still around us if you're Jamaican you know what they call Ray. Mommies. Yes. So if you're a Jamaican, you don't know what they call Ray are like clothes that people wear already. So this is what the market is like, mostly clothes. Mostly clothes. Mostly clothes, peeps. But this is the market in Falmouth, Chilani here. So I'm just walking through the market and then I head on to Ocho peeps. There's a show now, the Grand Market. Welcome to Grand Market. This is going to be part 1. This is going to be part 1. So everything you want. So yes, people, everything you want you can get. So, you know, everything you want you come and get. And this them are there all Falmouth all the time. Mainly still. But this is Falmouth peeps. And let me say, today is sale out day. Anything you want to get. And when people they have a long time, they might get rid of them too. Yeah. So I say peeps, let me go around this so. I'm going to enter from here so I can't walk around the water there. Yeah. So I'm just showing you through the market peeps, showing you through the busy section and the section when it's so busy. But whole heap of people there as you can see. You see? Yes, the people come all the way from down town. Come and Falmouth. And everybody has sell something. Everybody has sell something. Whoa. No, I messed up my shoes now there, my peeps. Oh. Yeah. We're not so crowded. So, yeah. I want to show you guys the section that are more crowded. But everybody has sell, because everybody have something to sell. You get me say? Ties. One ties, yeah, like second hand. You have second hand clothes, you have brand new. Yeah. Second hand clothes. As in Jamaica we call it Ray Ray. Or Bend Down Plaza. When I show them a ground. So, I go through market peeps. As I say, let's walk through. And then, I'm going to sprain my ankle. You see, a road there for you. Run us over like rain. Alright, take up a bad truck then. Take up a bad car then. Christmas come for you early, man. Sorry. Oh, that is a meat market, and I like smelling meat peeps in this one meat market. Whoa. Marcella, Eden, sorry mommy. Marcella, Eden, so mama guys ready for war me. Mama look like she ready to war me. Alright. Let me say, everything there peeps. Everything. Yeah. Market. Right, rainfall earlier too. Okay, this is Grand Market in Falmouth. And we're doing walking in the dark area then because I'm using a GoPro. Light, bright light. Yeah, but everything in the market is self-paced. And let me say, today is Grand Market. Hello. Yeah. All of 577 TV, I'm like, I like everything I go on in Jamaica. Good things, no bad things. You know, man, I have a camera from you. Okay. Oh, so you bake them cake here?
No, my mother.
Your mother? You this?
Yeah, but it's parcel.
Oh, okay. What's the name of your?
What's the name of her business? Cases, Cakes and Pastry.
Huh?
Cases, Cakes and Pastry.
Okay. How do you can find him?
She did from home, so I'm basically order.
Okay, as in phone number or so? You can give us the phone number if you choose to.
Alright, so our phone number is 875-0681. And you can also put my phone number on it just in case you're not listening to her. So my phone number is 835-2824.
Oh, okay. And what my name is?
Casey.
Casey. Oh, Casey as what?
Casey.
Casey as what?
Casey as what?
Business.
This is Cases, Cakes and Pastry.
Casey's cake and pastries. Pretty cool. And you make cake as in Christmas cake or cake overall? Depends on the season.
Yes, or
anything.
Yeah.
Anything. And you sell natural juice too?
Yeah.
Okay.
She doesn't really look good juicy. She just focus on the baking, but she also do natural juice.
So the market looks so far?
Kind of a bit shaky, but you're alright.
But where you are?
Yeah, because everybody there from Sunday, so
Oh.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Today, so
Okay. So you'll stay until late?
I don't think so.
Oh.
Yeah, because we have orders and this is like extra. But she already other side, you know, she just sent me around here, so.
Oh. She's sitting up on the side when I saw. Oh, that's mommy. Hey, mommy that?
Yeah.
Mommy look like sister.
No.
Yeah. Oh, so this is the name?
Yeah.
Oh. Faces, cake and pastry.
Yeah.
And that's your phone number. Okay. Yeah, mommy look like sister. Trust me. You look young here, mommy. Like a cake where you eat make you look so.
Well, she bake on the season, say for Easter with the Easter bun.
Yeah.
Same thing always with birthday cake and dessert. I don't know what that's it.
Oh, okay.
Christmas, fruit cake.
Yeah.
Valentine's, so this will look like pastry and stuff.
Okay, pretty cool. Alright, take care of yourself here. Mommy, stay young. Oh. Sorry. And the channel is Ocho Rios TV. Sorry. I'm always forgetting to tell people. Yeah. Alright, no problem. Alright. What? Tell me now.
How we done?
Me there, man. Yeah, man, I'm good. How about you?
Good.
You good?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
What's my name?
Yeah.
What's my name? Hmm?
Very good, man.
What's your name?
Peter.
Peter. Oh. Alright, big up yourself. You Peter? Yeah. Alright, that's Peter Peeps. And if I find the Bible, that's for Peter from the Bible. Well, people, as I say, we have to go watch it, so I'm gonna get out of the man. What go on?
Yeah, I know you.
But you say I have to get piece of it. Lindsay can't hold you. Eh? Lindsay can't hold you.
I like it instant. I
Eh?
like it out.
You like it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, Papa Lindsay.
Lindsay?
Can't be drive first, you get like on the last
Last night.
Where you live?
Granville up this.
Granville? Namibia?
No.
Oh.
Can't be drive first, you get right.
Yeah, well then give look before Christmas. The other day I go see light come too. So I'm not used to it. You can't believe they can't get used to that. Now look at yours look strange.
Now you get adjust a cell because you tell yourself some more.
Yeah.
What if you have to live without it?
Yeah, myself yours look strange with the light. So you say they sell some mat and thing. Hope you sell everything. Yes. No, you sell half, you know. Sell everything.
Oh, you know I'm selling half.
No, me know you sell half. No, don't sell half. Sell everything. Cause half I can leave half. So when you sell everything. When you sell everything. Yes.
Yeah, more than that, I try to
Wifey.
everything.
Because person, me know wifey. Wifey is different, you know. Wifey want pretty up the camera, you know.
Yeah, I'm going to pick your wife now.
So you say this you know until New Year again.
In January. It's 2 weeks.
Alright.
Back with our original.
I want to watch you, you know, man. So watch you look like I'm going to sit.
Alright, man.
Pick up yourself.
I won't get that.
Alright. No, a years when I get a Lindsay.
A year's not there, so I'm going to
9 years when I get a Lindsay from Grand Market.
Alright, man.
So you see? Alright. Really, man. Yeah, man. So yes, peeps. That's one of my little friend from Linstead. So let's leave the market now, Falmouth. As I say, peeps, Falmouth is one of the biggest markets in Jamaica on a Wednesday. Everything you want there, from a pin to an anchor. From a pin to an anchor. And music, you're going to hear music all over because at Jamaica this an holiday now. So everybody play music. Music give the market a different vibe. The people the vibe to sell, people the vibe to buy. Yeah. So this is Jamaica and this is Grand Market. Everything you want you can get. Shoes, clothes, curtain, sheets, food, whatever you want. Yes. Whatever you want you can get, peeps. I doubt if they don't have furniture yet though. I wouldn't be surprised if they don't have furniture. So anyway, we head back into the park. So if I get a taxi, I got Ocho. Hopefully I don't have to wait that long. But look like the rainfall and the place. I was going to wear white shoes. It's a good thing I never wear my white shoes. Good thing I never wear white shoes, peeps. Yeah, right. I never like that song, mate. Can't live without me. You can't live without anybody. What you can't live without is God and fresh air to breathe. That's what you can't live without, not people. You can't live without people. So anyway, peeps, as I say, we're heading back now. We're heading back to the parking lot. So let me get a bit. If I was heading back to Montego Bay, I'm going to get a taxi right there. But I got Ocho. So I have to go to the parking lot. Yeah. Stuff nice. How much you generated them, boss? 70 and 120. 120 for the 1 year. It's a Power Smart. Okay. And it's a 70 total. Alright, big up yourself. So generator still a sell. The tourist and company ship them, then get right out for them right around Falmouth. Eh? What you say, Papa?
I want like that to get last week.
Oh.
1200 one.
So you don't still get you don't get a light yet? You You get lighted?
No, we don't get no light.
Ja.
Like in the community.
Yeah, but not reach your place yet.
Not reach my place.
Ja.
Have to continue using.
Yeah. Not gonna cost you more?
Yeah, it costs more from the buy gas.
Yeah.
Well, want to get a little light to
Yeah.
cool them off.
Yeah.
Cool off the gas money back.
Ja. So now peeps, we're heading towards the parking lot, as I say. So this is Falmouth, Trelawney, Falmouth Duncan, stocks to that. And over here so they have Total Tools. Yeah. So when you come on Falmouth, you come on a ship. Yeah, then carry a tour around Falmouth and them bicycle here, like 3-wheel bicycle here. Plaza name, I think the plaza name. See the name on it. But anyway peeps, let's walk fast, I say. So we have got Ocho, so I'm going to end the video and start that video. Because I don't want to video them too long. Because I don't know, still have internet issues. Internet not working so properly same way until get Starlink. Yeah, so people there up on the side are still same here too. Some sharks and some pad pants, yes. Pants are like my own, man. Yeah, I have a pad pants like my one. How much you beat them? 3.5. Okay. Alright, so if you not pass on the sea, man, support him in the right champion supermarket there, so we didn't care. Supporting thing. Big up yourself, brother. Yeah. Yes. So man said 3.5 for his shorts then. Yeah, but when me buy a market, me buy in a Falmouth. On Wednesday me get whole heap of discount. Cause him said 3.5 and I paid 2 grand for my one. Not 3.5 but 2 grand. And as I say, police them there enough to maintain law and order. Let me cross quick and fast. And a lot of business place over this plaza. Whoa. And as I say, Falmouth was severely damaged by the hurricane. But trust me, Falmouth, you have to say come back quick. Town look away compared to what it look like in a short space of 2 months time. Look good again. Oh, go and pop everything less. Alright. Yeah, Falmouth really come back. You don't see people, a lot of people all stop still look away, but the town clean up it fast because it's a tourist area too. Yeah, it's a tourist area. So a lot of tourists come here, so they gotta fix it quick and fast. So anyway peeps, that is it for Falmouth. So stay tuned. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Catch you up on the next one. Yeah, one fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to your best of your ability. And remember, life over death, God over devil, good over evil. You know what I say? And stay tuned and continue to watch, like, share, comment and subscribe. That is it. Peace out. So yes peeps, I am in Ocho Rios now. Yeah, I am in Ocho Rios now peeps. Yeah man. Yes peeps, I am in Ocho Rios. Yeah, and I see they have 2 ships out there. Yeah, so welcome back to the channel. So this is the second edition of Grand Market in Jamaica. And it's a boy all the fire 777 coming to you from Ocho Rios. And as I say, it's a Grand Market and Jamaica street is crowded today. Yeah, so let's see what Ocho Rios is like today. Yeah, we come from Falmouth. Now we are in Ocho Rios. So let's see what's happening in Ocho here. So if it's the first time tuning into your channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all of fire, tell a friend to tell another friend. Yes, like, share and comment and subscribe. Yeah. So we are walking into the town. So let's see what's up. Oh, listen. Let's see what are going on, peeps. Let's see what's happening. And over there, say I have a belly woman. Some man dressed up in a clothes. But in Jamaica, I would call him a belly man or something. Or a granny man, you know who? More like a belly woman. So people would take picture with them and give them a little money. Or you can call them junk also. They are also called junk. But I think I'm gonna use my phone. So yes, peeps, as I say, with the Ocho, with the inner Ocho Rios, and I have so many stuff on me. Yeah, make sure some real pack good. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay, and don't go away. Don't go away, peeps. I'm saying I'm fine everything. I'm gonna put everything right. Find one phone. Find one phone, peeps, cause I have to make sure that I have everything to give all the action. All the action. Make sure that I don't miss nothing at all. Yeah. No catch everything that's happening in Ocho Rios. Catch everything, peeps. Everything where I go on. Yeah. So let's go. Let's go, peeps. Let's go. You know it goes. You know, when all the fire, I bring it to you. I bring everything to you. Bringing everything to your peeps. You see? Everything. I'm not gonna miss nothing at all. I'm not gonna miss nothing. I'm gonna see everything. What's happening in the street here. Yeah. Let you guys see everything that's happening in and around Jamaica. Alright, let's use a phone now. Alright, let's use a phone now. So yes, peeps, as I say, we are in Ocho Rios. And over there, so you have what I'm calling in Jamaica Jankuno. You have Jankuno. You have Jankuno, peeps. So they always come out on Christmas time. Yeah. And then funny things, I'll give them money for nothing. See them the peeps? Those are called Jankunos. A lot of people scared of them. Some kids are scared of them also. Some kids are scared of them. I zoom in for now and get a shot off of him. Alright, that's one. That's one, peeps. And as me say, yeah, I don't want to miss anything for you guys. See one there? I've seen a fast. Need to get a shot of him. Yeah. See them there? See them there, peeps? See them there? Come across the street so I get a better shot of them. I can get a better shot, peeps. So they're entertaining the crowd. Yeah. Yeah. And these are Bellyman and what we call Jankuno. Yeah, so they are crowd in the street. Taxi man, go and wait. I behave like I don't want to lick him on them, so what do you know? Blackie Road, yeah? Yeah, so these are them peeps. Them are do them thing. Yeah. Thieves are them thieves. Give them a thing, man. Give them a thing. Let me show me out. Huh? No, a 5 grand me have. I'm going to change it, honestly. So then they are thieves. Them there. I said they are washing puppy. So what a customer name? You want now? The devil?
Yeah.
I say devil look.
Yeah.
The devil not scare me.
Right now.
I think the devil ugly on you.
Right now, the devil ugly and he's a you don't even know. If you come a flat mask, then I'll be on it.
Well, you show me name. I hold it for your name. Me burn up the devil.
Yeah, that's fine.
Eh? Alright, dig up yourself. Belly mama. Oh, alright. See it there? So me don't want to give you nothing but a 5 grand me have. I don't change. I'm not even want to give drive like I'm not think cost me. You have change? Alright, give me make you $1,000. Give me 4 if you can give me 4 grand. You want to make enough money, man? You know, man. I know a Christmas, man. So you have to make a thing. Everybody have to eat a thing. Alright, big up yourself. Alright. Yes, peeps. Everybody have to eat, you know, it's a holiday season. So you have to support them same way. So this is what you call belly mama. So they go around and dance during these times, and then everybody give them a money. So enough of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if me give him $1,000, that, I mean, I cannot give him no money, peeps. Alright, peeps. So we are heading further into Ocho Rios to show now we're going to Ocho Rios peeps and a Grand Market there. Yeah. So a lot of them say when you're a content creator, they might feel like you're record them and I make enough money for them and I give them none. I'm give you a thing here. Give you a thing. You change me 5 grand and take a thing. I don't have money, man. You change me 5 grand and take a thing. We don't make money, man. But I'm glad for that. I don't found us, no eat a food. Dig up yourself. So yes, peeps, and people are across the street jerking and stuff like that. Yes. People jerk on the road and stuff like that. Yeah. How go on, brother? Hold the fire, 777 TV, you know, I'm just showing people who are going from Grand Market in idea. Yeah. You see a pork in it? More fire. Fire for sure, report, not true? Alright, see the report look good, peeps. Yeah, so now. Yeah. I'm growing and I'm looking in the kitchen.
One ledger, man.
Yeah?
One ledger, lad.
One ledger. So, yes, alone there. Where you there when in a Grand Market? You're there in the street, same way? Alright. So when you come people look on him face, when you support him, when you see him in a watch it, support him thing. You them have to hustle. You them not thief or rob nobody. You them have to hustle. But a Grand Market, so hope you don't make enough money. You hear what I say? Alright, big up for yourself. Alright. And subscribe to your channel too. Yeah, man. 100,000 views and get on a video, you know, so. Everybody go see you. Hold the fire, 777 TV. Alright. Nice lady. Chicken ready yet?
Yeah, man, I'm
Ready
ready chicken.
chicken. How much a quarter for your chicken?
14.
Chicken, that's reasonable, man.
Quite reasonable.
So you say I make back some money after the holiday?
Well,
After the storm, I should say.
That's what we go to play, so let's got nothing in my pocket.
What money there, man? Jamaica, what money, man? Yeah, you know, see?
This is what go on.
Yeah, so what you look already?
We see it, yes, but go on, we see spending too.
Alright. You make enough money today, yeah?
Yeah, man.
You not sell half, you know, you sell everything. Alright. So yes, peeps, we're in Ocho Rios, as me say. There's a whole heap of jerk pan. There's a whole heap of jerk in always go on. in a Jamaica during times like this, during holidays. So that's how I walk the street, peeps. When I show now one, people come out with them liquor and sell and thing. People come out with them alcohol and then put up in stall. Big up yourself, my boss. Your stall? Alright. I highlight it. Holy Fire 777 TV, yeah? Yeah, Holy Fire 777 TV. Yeah, so the man come out with him stall. Cause every Jamaican, you know, a hustler, a real hustler. And you know, stall look good. Set up nice, little biscuit, little, yeah, and everything. Yeah. Like me, I'm hungry too, I'm drink something. My first style, I'm buy something from you too. My first style. Well, I say, I kind of one time eat from morning. One juice there. Where juice in there? Which could I buy for everybody still? I'm gonna say, I don't want 8 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. How much is this? 250 too? Alright. I see, I show me use some beer. I don't want to say price that double. Alright, give me 50 filler. Okay, give me 50 filler now. So yes, peeps, we're there in the street, as I say. I don't really support smoking, but him does catch me off guard. That's why I give him money. But I don't support smoking, none at all. Yes, so we're there in the street of Ocho Rios. And it's a boy all the fire triple serving. So I am sipping on my juice. It's almost off the tree.
Are you that?
Yeah, man.
You watch all the time?
Big up yourself, man. Alright, I'm fast. Yeah, so I guess one subscriber. Yes. Yeah. Because no matter how them fight, Wall Fire, you know, I think still I go global. No matter how them fight, try fight, still I go global. Everybody are going to know me see me. I'm telling them, like a blow up like a World Trade Center. Yeah. Can't find a change? Ask him back him money when I go on, man. I can't find a change. Oh, my son, at Christmas now. Oh. I'm taxi man, I figure $2.5, man. Yeah, man, as a taxi man, them, man. So, yes, peeps. So, I got boss. Everything. Yeah. Oh. So, how did they treat you? Going. What's my name? What's my name? Tree? Say name Tree? Those two come Tree? Okay.
Oh, my name.
Oh, your name? I saw your name. Eh? 6 the name? Yeah. Are you an artist? Are you the artist? Okay. I mean, say, you should take your autograph then, man. Huh? You should take your autograph. You give me a pen, make you write the autograph on my shirt or something, because you're a big artist. Are you name 6? You true? Yeah. Alright, big up yourself, yeah? So yes, peeps, stick and stay. So yes, peeps, we're still walking the streets of Ocho Rios, and as I say, people on the streets selling whatever they can. You may say iglas on the street selling all over Jamaica. This is what you see during this time, during Grand Market. As I said, today is the 24th of December, and people outside selling what they can sell. The fireman there start sell some cane and some jelly and something. Yeah, and I hope you make a whole lot of money this holiday. Pick up yourself, brother. Alright. As I say, peeps, this is what it's like. They get popcorn, everything. Yeah. And Ocho Rios is even more lively than Montego Bay. So you have some more jerk man over there, so. Yeah. Now go over there, so much copyright music over there, but up on the road with them stall and thing. You know? But it's a nice vibe here in Jamaica, peeps. It's a pretty nice vibe in Jamaica. If you see. Yes, sir? Are you done? I can't eat that though. Yes, people, so a lot of people outside in Ocho Rios. This is Grand Market. Welcome to Jamaica. Yeah, welcome to Jamaica, peeps. And some people try to intimidate you, but once they're in public recording, tell them that not scary. Them not scary. So this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica, peeps. So we're gonna walk around the town a little bit and show you now how I go on. Just a little bit. And every end you go, you will see and you will hear music. Music, music, music. Jamaica is a land of music. I think Jamaicans love music more than any other nationality. Jamaicans love music more. But it's festive season, and as we say, it's a grand market all over Jamaica. It is like this every single end of Jamaica you go. Today you will find that. So now people stick and stay as the false copyright music.
Nothing's ever really broken. I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. I'll find my way back to you.
Yes, peeps, and as I say, the police them are out here well to have law and order. But this is Jamaica. Yes, peeps, this is Jamaica, and this is what it's like, as I told you before. Yeah, as I say, this is Grand Market. So we're actually passing the craft market. Yeah, this is Ocho Rios Craft Market, right over here. Yeah. And Ocho Rios Craft Market, this Ocho Rios Craft Market is very big, so very big. So as I said, peeps, I'm gonna try to go to as far as I can. As far as, yeah, and jerk chicken there, peeps. Jerk chicken, but now the pan are unique. Yeah man, the pan are different. Yeah, see, one night island pan, peeps. Take a thumbnail with it, yeah. The pan are different. Alright, big up yourself. Yeah, what kind of soup in that pot? Alright. Yeah, chicken pot with corn and a chicken pot thing. So yes, peeps, we're heading further up in the town. So we there will have cologne and stuff. You got to sell money. People selling everything. I said everything you want.
When the storm blow away, I wanna get none of Andrew Oldest money. I wanna send a Christmas that way up. Pick up yourself.
Yes, peeps, and here so we have some flowers. So some flowers trees. Nice flowers trees. These flowers trees smell very good. The peeps, on the roadside they have flowers trees in Jamaica. Only in Jamaica you see flowers like these on the road. Very nice flowers, peeps. Very nice flowers on the road. Yeah. Nice flower. Flowers trees, those are those, mommy, done? A flowers tree. Those are flowers tree.
And here goes the anchor man.
The flowers tree them. A flowers. Yes, peeps, as we say, we're there in an Ocho Rios. Just walking and talking, walking through. Just walking and talking, passing through. So yes, peeps. So let's get out. Some people way. So as we say, we are heading all the way up into the town, and then we leave Ocho and see if we can head to. I would love to go to Kingston, but I don't know if I'm gonna reach there. It's gonna be night. Yeah, and look at the cops. Yeah, the cops on Ocho. The cops in Ocho Rios. And e-bikes. Yeah, nice bikes. So apparently, they want to give this guy a ticket for parking here. We get a ticket for park there, babes. We get a ticket for parking right there. But anyway, peeps, we are going further up into Ocho Rios, and the streets look crowdy. You know, like Bunty, what's it Bunty? I'm Merciless. Howdy. Yeah, it was Merciless who would say that. Yeah. And the streets look crowded so far on that side. Oh, you know, let's keep walking and talking. Yeah. And I'll say Ocho Rios, Falmouth have a vibe. Montego Bay boring. Montego Bay is boring. As far as I can see. I thought I would say have more vibes in Montego Bay. More than that, I guess probably in the night. And then Falmouth was a little better. But then Ocho is far better than Falmouth also. From when I sit down that side. So let's see what's happening further up in the town. Let's see what's happening further up in the town. Let's see what's happening. And this is the time of year that they say you get a lot of sale. So everybody is gonna have what didn't sell last year outside selling. Yeah. So there's a lot of sale. People come out a lot selling everything. Nice slippers for the ladies. If you have a ladies, I will stop right here and buy from this nice lady. Hi, mommy. Yeah, you got some nice stuff selling here. Yeah, mommy have some nice stuff selling here. Oh, it's a nice plateware. Oh, welcome to our home. Wow, I like that one.
You're one of the YouTubers.
Yes, miss.
Yes, man, I realize.
Yes, all the Fire 777 TV.
Who?
All the Fire 777 TV. Yes, miss. I bring good content, good contents. Nothing that the whole family cannot watch. The whole family can sit and watch it. Yes, so this lady have some real nice stuff. So this is Grand Market. All in Grand Market, you see people, everybody come out like this. Yeah, you know, Grandma sell like this, you know, she come to travel.
You know, this is gonna be on the YouTube.
Yes, mommy.
My stuff.
Yeah. But not your face.
Okay.
I didn't record your face.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
So only I record people's face unless they ask me to.
Okay.
It's okay, you can, you know.
Kitchen toilet.
You know, long time I don't see marbles. Oh, this are marbles. Long time I see marbles. Remember one time when we look a bit, used to play marble. I don't see kids playing marble no more.
No, sir. The TV and phone, the phone, man.
Yeah, gosh.
Phone ain't not the phone thing, man, and they don't know nothing.
Yeah, I don't see kids playing marbles no more. That's crazy. If I see them, that'll look weird. Alright, mommy. Yeah. Yes, peeps. I was born in the age, and I'm not that old. I was born in the age, another Jamaican club where we play marbles. Camera is on you, camera is on me, right? Right. So you don't. Yeah. So I was born in the age when there was marbles. Yes, peeps. Some people always turn away their face when they see camera, but I mean, as I say, I like to point it on myself when I know that I'm not pointing it on them. Yeah, so I just see other people selling. Everywhere you go, you're gonna see. You see some clocks, that's all. Some nice, not rainbow clock, wallaby. I'm gonna oh. How much are they, my bro? 12.5. Reasonable, man. Hey. You know, I never wear on clocks. Always wear wallaby. You know, yeah. Don't look bad. At them time alone, I sell what you normally sell.
Yeah, so I'm there for Christmas and
Oh, where they roll in the town?
yeah, normally we go on the bus pass on the other side.
Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, yeah. You have to come and hold your spot from early, as I said. You know it's set, man. Then hold your spot early, you can't go there now. Unless you're original for a long time. Big up yourself. A clock is too? I'll lie. Yeah. Yeah, that one, yeah. Yeah. This. Yeah. Mad man, and a mad beat. How much this all go for? 23. Yeah, mad still. Trust me. I must don't like it. I like we are unusual thing now. I see up and me have
The white to that one or the crystal, but I mean what them one there.
with this?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, the man thing original too. Yeah, man. Straight out of London, England. Yeah, I know them, man. Let's speak, but the man have some nice beats here. I call like Arena Josa. Yeah? Yeah, well, look mad. Yeah, man. Alright, big up yourself. So yes, Peter, I say everybody come out and selling. So yes, peeps, as I say, the street is crowded in Ocho Rios here. It's a vibe, and as I say, it's Grand Market. It is Grand Market in Ocho Rios. When I say peeps, yeah, people in the area, you know. As I say, it's a vibe here in Jamaica. It's a vibe that I haven't catched in about 9 years. I haven't been here to catch a vibe like this. But I'm here now. And I'm experiencing it for a very long time. Did not experience this, but we're there, people. Everything you want is on the street. Welcome to Jamaica. I am in Jamaica. Where are you? Yeah. At the same time, be careful you walk. The streets are kind of muddy. Yeah. So yes, peeps, and as I say, today you got so many police in the streets of Ocho Rios. So let's just take a little walk, and then we go back around the bus park, see if we can head into Kingston, downtown. Oh my gosh. But the town is busy today, as I said, peeps. Ocho Rios is one of the tourist destinations. You have Ocho Rios, because I'm living between the three of them. You have Ocho Rios, you have Falmouth, and you have Montego Bay. And of course, Negril is not too far away. Yeah. Westmoreland there. And as I said, this is Jamaica. If you go hear music. But I think I'm gonna turn back here, peeps. Should I turn back yet? Let's not turn back yet. And everywhere you're gonna hear music, them time I hear it, peeps. Everywhere in the town, you're gonna hear music. Woo. So I'm just walking, peeps. Oh. I am just walking around, peeps.
Over.
I'm skitch up in the corner, so. Look at my corner, like, I don't even know why I'm in the corner like that. So, anyway, peeps, I think I turn back right as well. Why this thing freeze now? So yes, peeps, we're just still walking the street of Ocho Rios. I'm gonna say we have like a mud on the road. Jesus. Little mud on the street, so let's get out of it. And music everywhere. Everywhere you got music. Really? Should I say what I got bus park down to the market and stuff? Alright. I said to look for crowded dinner side. Alright, we'll go down and look at the place. So show them what I want and look at it. Then we head back up the road and stuff. Holy smoke. So yes, peeps, as I say, we are in Ocho Rios. So I walk the street a bit to show them where I go on. And then we head on downtown, Kingston. And we go Spanish Town. Then we go Linstead. Yeah, not going all over to there. Maypen. That's too far, but this is what's happening in Ocho Rios. It's a crowded town. So we're just walking around. Eagles then come out. Wally, peeps. I may say every town in Jamaica, this is what you will actually see. This is what you will see. Mr. Empress and some sandals, okay. Alright, some Jamaican sandals up here. Okay. Alright, big up yourself. Big up yourself. First it's we're just walking around looking. You say no want to advertise. So yes, Steve, this is what's happening in Ocho Rios here. Man say no want in sandals them exposed. The public. Some Rasta eat that, so you know. Not true, miss? Yeah. So what? That side and go down. Just to show you what go on the roadside. In a Ocho Rios peeps. And then I say I get a go through the market and say I get a bus. Matter of fact, I cross the street and I go all the way down. I'm not gonna walk all the way down, peeps. I'm gonna turn back right there, so. And we'll go back up there, so. Yeah. Let's go back all up the road, peeps. Yeah, so this is what's happening here in Ocho Rios. On the streets of Ocho Rios, peeps. Everybody come out. Yeah. All the soap man come out. Big up yourself, soap man. And see we have a clown over here. Yes, we have a clown, yeah. What the brother looks so? Down a town? Looks so. Down a town? Eh? Down a town, man. We are on town of waterfront, so. Alright, you see me know the place. I have to know the clown here.
That's perfect.
Eh?
That's perfect.
Yeah, man. Everyone goes. Alright, and I know 1 or 2 or 3 years now. A long time. No, I'm not sure it's a long time, but we still remember yourself.
So what was it? What
no, man, a little baby did it and sitting and you always do sitting for them and sitting.
Right, cool.
But remember, say I used still. You see it? Yeah, man. Eh? Holy Fire 777 TV.
Yeah, Holy Field?
Holy Fire.
Holy Fire 777 TV.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. On New Year's Day, New Year's Eve, you always done it, man. Yeah, man. Me, I will put a picture with you, man. And look at one them. Cool, man. Alright, cool, man.
Yeah, like how you celebrate with me so live.
Yeah.
Me have to remember you at all times now.
Alright, bro.
I try, please. Take off your eyeglasses. Alright, never try.
Big up yourself.
Big up, yeah?
Alright. So you speak, sometimes we have to remember people, you know, remember that clown especially. Yeah. Remember that clown? When we did have a stepdaughter. When we did have a stepdaughter, she take picture with him all the time and sitting, you know. But that is that. And then my clown, I don't forget him. So we are going through the market and head on down to Kingston, downtown. Yeah. Clarks. Yeah. 26 and 24. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Let me look on them, I see them, man. I see them, man. Yeah, I see them, man. Eh? You then? Not you want to talk about you them now? At a heartbreak. At a heartbreak. So anyway, peeps. Yeah. The man I say, if I care home to watch them for me youth them. For my youth them, where are my youths? Danai and Dante, they transcended. That's where Danai and Dante, they transcended, they are not here anymore. But part of life. That is part of life. They are not here anymore, peeps. They are in a better place. They are in a better place. Chop the rubber by coat. So you see, let's go through the market now and head on to the bus park, Ocho Rios bus park. Let's head on to the bus park, please. Yeah, so this is Ocho Rios Market. Yeah. Very crowded, peeps. Sorry. Oh, I'm not really do it so still unless a man call back and say,
no problem.
Yeah, so what's your man name?
A Gaza man, one Gaza on the app man. Big up on yourself, that's it.
Alright, so man have the bad beats then. Wanna see it? The man have the bad beats, so you can support him. Also mud ring and so some dollar sign ring. Yeah. Yeah, and some lion. Yeah. Beats a look mad man.
A quote to life.
Yeah, beats a look mad people have gone support him. Right in the Ocho Rios Market.
Yeah man. African over Satan, you know?
Alright.
No joke.
See there? So if you don't like it, pendant. Yeah, police can't lock up for that one.
Bado.
Yeah. Yeah, see there? Alright. You can't lock up for that one.
Yeah, man.
No 15 years for that. Alright, big up yourself, brother. Alright. So yes, peeps. I just want me to do it. If you call me, then I will show a thing. I wanna look mad. Yeah. So this is the market. So we are passing through the market, heading to the bus stop now. Yeah. So if you want food, if you want clothes, everything there. Everything there, please. Aki, Mr. Lady, appeal or Aki. Chancha. You get Aki from now. Yo. I do good with some Aki now. Jackfruit. Yeah. Everything you want there in the market, please. So this is how the market is normally crowded, but because it's Grand Market, this is the reason why it's even more crowded today.
Which one?
What's up, brother? Yeah. Mad beats, peeps. Catch right. Alright. So yes, peeps. Yeah, enough people are probably in the camera saying about trouble them in the camera. You just go and walk and go and talk. Yeah, but this is Grand Market, peeps. Grand Market in Jamaica. Everything you want, then I'm market. You just ask and talk it. It's right in the market. Yeah. Everything there in the market, people. Whoa. And the girls come out to come buy out the stuff them. But you know, ladies do more shopping than men. Ladies, every time ladies going out, they need new wear to go out. I'm on a beach, same thing over and over, but a woman, pick up yourself, daddy. You remember me? Cool over. Alright, brother. Alright, cool. Yeah. Man, the head good. Man, say what I mean if you remember me. Remember me from Linstead. I used to sell in the street to people, so people remember me when I sell in the street. This is the time when I used to sell to Grand Market. I used to sell Grand Market too. From I sell go straight back until Christmas Day. No sleep. team no sleep. So right now we are here to head to the bus park. Right over there, so we are walk. We're heading straight to the bus park. Straight to the bus park. So we say, what time do you think I reach a town, peeps? Because I think we want to go to Kingston first. Then I go to Linstead. When I can manage a trip there, I'm going to go to Linstead alone. I don't want to go to Linstead alone, I want to go town, downtown. Because I know downtown, I go mad. Let me see what time now, peeps. 3 to 4. 4 now, peeps. And I haven't have video to upload, and I haven't uploaded any video too. I'm just gonna get the time to upload the video, see me too. Then peeps want the vehicle go straight down at town. So then at Ocho Rios Market, I think we should have go a leak. Because yes, every time I come to Ocho, I let use the bathroom first after doing so much traveling. So I find $50 to get that. They pay $50 to use the bathroom. And then I'll be on my way, so stick and stay, peeps. So yes, peeps, just get a leak. So now I can be on my way to Kingston. I don't say, I don't know what time I'm going to reach. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay and don't go nowhere. One fire, hold the fire. So yes, peeps, we are about to leave in Ocho Rios now. Heading into Kingston. Yes, we're heading to Kingston now, so stick and stay with me and don't go nowhere. Yes, as I head on my journey to Kingston. Just leaving Ocho. So stick and stay, peeps, and follow me on the journey. Yes, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. What to do, what to love, do it to best ability. So yes, peeps, we're going through the Fern Gully. Fern Gully.
Thought it'd be golden, crossing the line and don't look back. Think I was broken, I needed some time to clear my head. 'Cause I've made all the mistakes and I've dealt with the heartbreaks, but I think that I found my way. 'Cause I've been sinking like a stone. Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken. I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. I'll find my way see a river floating its way out to the sea.